Andrew with Zang Physical Therapy here, and what I'd like to share with you today are some tips for dealing with neck pain when you're sleeping. This is a very common thing that I hear when I'm treating somebody with neck pain, and so I just wanted to share those tips and suggestions with you all. So one of the first things that I ask patients when they say that they wake up in the middle of the night with neck pain, or they get up in the morning with neck pain, is how many pillows do you sleep with? One or two is the most common. And then I also want to know how thick the pillows are. Do you have a really thin one, or do you have a rather thick one? And so why this is important, because if you have a rather thin pillow, then your head is going to be falling backwards into the pillow, and or if you're on your side, you're going to be tilted in this way. And you'll just be creating low levels of strain over the course of the night, and who knows exactly what you do. So those could be potential reasons. In a similar light, if the pillow is too thick, when you're on your back, it's going to push you way up overhead, or if you're on your side, it could tip you up this way. And again, you could create low levels of strain that over the course of 4 to 8 hours, however long you do sleep, this could result in some neck pain or stiffness in the middle of the night or when you wake up. So tips that I try to have people do is, if you have a really thick pillow, maybe you want to find a pillow that's a little bit less thick and see if that's helpful. By the same token, if you have a rather thin pillow, maybe you need one with just a little bit more volume so that your head and neck feel a little bit more supported. If you've done those and you've tried various things at home and it's still not working, because a lot of people are that way, another thing that I often have people do is take your bath towel, roll it up kind of cylindrically this way, and then what you're going to do is you're going to stuff it in the bottom of the pillowcase right here, so that when you lie down right here, that towel is going to be right here. And what it's going to do is if you're on your back, it's going to cradle and support your head and neck right here. And same thing if you're on your side, it's going to support you right here. So you'll end up with a little bit extra support so your head isn't either falling off this way or it's not getting pushed up this way. A lot of people that I've suggested this to have found it rather helpful and eases some of their neck pain, so that they're not waking up in the middle of the night and they're not waking up with neck pain. And so some people continue on with the rolled towel trick because that doesn't cost you any money. If you find that it works great, then you can go to the store and try out some different contoured pillows. Not all of them are the same, so you're going to want to hopefully find one that may have a generous return policy, that if you try it for a couple days, you can take it back if it doesn't quite feel right for you. Because unfortunately that will be the case. Some of them just aren't going to match your head, neck, body size. That's just the way it is. So I hope that these tips have been helpful for you in easing some of your neck pain associated with sleeping. If you're still struggling and have more questions, by all means, please write a comment in the section below. I'll get back to you, or you can reach out to me via phone or email me. So again, as always, reach out to me, Andrew@zangpt.com. Have a nice day.